In front of me is ROG Phone 8 and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by opening messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner. Now to add any photo, click on it. If you can't find it over here, you can always select folders and look for it here. Then click on it to attach it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!